If you ever struggle to get your beans soft and full of flavor, this changes everything. These pinto beans cook perfectly in the Instant Pot, but the flavor starts long before the pressure cooking begins. Hi, I'm Forsi, and this is Storytime and Cooking with Forsi. And today, we're making pinto beans. These beans start with more than just onions and peppers, fresh herbs, garlic, butter, and a blend of spices. It starts with building flavor from the very beginning. The pinto beans are rinsed under running water to clean them and remove any debris. In the Instant Pot, I saute onions, peppers, garlic, fresh herbs, and butter. Then I add a few dried seasonings. The rinsed beans are added and mixed with the seasoning. A little water is added to bring everything together. Then the Instant Pot is set to the beans setting and pressure cooked for about 20 minutes. The beans come out tender, flavorful, and perfectly seasoned. Perfect with rice and a simple home-style meal. And this is Storytime and Cooking with Forsi, a story you can taste.